Caleb, I know you like your cooler summer, so you must be loving this kind of cooler weather we're seeing now.
Yup, big time. I'm much bigger of a fan of the 70s, especially as opposed to last weekend, the weekend prior to that, 80s, 90s humid. No thanks. And it's not a thing in the past for us, at least for this weekend. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at one of our sky cams here in downtown Lansing outside the studio. We are cloudy right now. Looks like the surfaces have dried out there. We did have some rain move through earlier, not much. In Lansing, we only clicked off about 1/100 of an inch, but some nonetheless. We've been awfully dry, so we could use everything we can get. Our temperature right now is at 70 degrees, a little bit sticky out there with the dew points in the mid-60s as well. The almanac shows we got into the upper 70s, so below seasonable. Also, our low following suit, both those were below seasonable, and you can see clicked off just 1/100 of an inch of precipitation today. Elsewhere, the temperatures, we're at 73 in Elma, 70 degrees in Lansing, 70 in Owasso, 68 Mason, 69 Jackson, and then 68 in Hillsdale, Adrian, and Marshall. Here's the satellite and the radar. So we are totally cloudy right now, overcast skies throughout across mid-Michigan. You can see we had the showers roll through moving south to north earlier on. We've kind of dried out though, but you can see we're starting to fill into the south, moving through Fort Wayne there. That's going to continue to be the case, continue to fill in as it moves through mid-Michigan. We'll see steady rain through the overnight hours, falling heavy at times actually in some spots. We could see about upwards of an inch of rain. So you can see this parent low pressure system that's lifting through the Ohio Valley slowly. It's going to continue north and east and eventually depart the region on Monday, and then behind that, our next system will move through, bringing more chances for showers and thunderstorms to us on Monday. So let's go ahead and take a look at Tropical Storm Isaias. Now, earlier it was a Category 1 hurricane. It did go through a weakening process. We had some drier air getting ingested into it, also some wind shear that broke it up a little bit, but it looks like it's starting to re-strengthen a little bit, and it's going to continue to re-strengthen. They're expecting it to redevelop into a Category 1 hurricane as it hugs the Florida coastline, continuing to move northeast. By Tuesday, it really starts to pick up some steam, move quite a bit faster. We'll see it weakened back to a tropical storm, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Around the Tuesday time frame, our weather maker on Monday is an upper level low pressure system that'll swing a cold front through. That's actually going to help to steer this thing, continuing to keep it away from the west. So it's going to continue to steer it northeast. Eventually by Wednesday, becoming a post-tropical low-pressure system as it exits through the Canadian Maritimes. Let's go ahead and time out the forecast for us, though. So overnight tonight, as I said, we'll see some steady rain develop, lifting in once again from south to north. It will fall heavy at times. You can see the darker greens there, some yellows and oranges popping up too. Where those go through, that's where we could see 1 inch per hour rainfall rates. So some of us will, where that moves through, we'll see higher amounts of rainfall. By tomorrow, late morning hours, it does move off. We taper to more showers. So we're going to be showery in nature by the afternoon. Could see a couple of thunderstorms as well. We then dry out Sunday night into Monday morning, but then that front drops through Monday, bringing another chance again for those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Predicted rainfall, we're actually expecting upwards of an inch. This is a little underdoing it a little bit, so a lot of us will see, I said, up to an inch of rain. The further east you go, that's where we're going to see the most rainfall. Because of that, we do have some flash flood watches in effect for our eastern counties, Shiawassee, Livingston, Washtenaw, and Lenawee. That is in effect until through tomorrow afternoon. If you're out and about and you encounter a flooded roadway, just turn around, don't drown. That is the saying there. Tonight, 65 degrees for our low, rain falling heavy at times. Could see a thunderstorm embedded in that rain. For tomorrow, 75 degrees, so seasonally cool for us. Rain early, it becomes more showery in nature. We could see that thunderstorm. Now, the next 7 days behind Monday's cold front, we get cooler. 72 degrees only for a high on Tuesday. Could see some rain linger early on. Our lows Wednesday, low 50s. Some of us could even be in the upper 40s. The coolest air we've seen since the middle of June. And otherwise, mostly sunny through Wednesday through Friday. A couple showers possible Friday, and they warm up by next weekend.
All right, thank you so much. That warm up will feel nice after a couple cooler in quotation mark days.